Managing multiple recruiter profiles on Top Echelon can seem like a daunting task, but once you get the hang of it, you'll see how easy and efficient it can be. In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to streamline the process and manage multiple profiles in one place. Stick around to the end because we'll share an exclusive bonus that you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about the basics of Top Echelon. It's a platform designed specifically for recruiters to help them manage job orders, candidates, and client relationships. It's great for people who want to track multiple recruiter profiles without having to jump between different tools. By organizing all your recruiter profiles under one roof, you gain better visibility and control over your recruitment process. So, how do you manage multiple recruiter profiles effectively? The first step is understanding that Top Echelon allows you to set up different user accounts or profiles for different recruiters within the same organization. This means you can have multiple recruiters managing their own candidates, job orders, and activity, all without interfering with each other. The key to managing multiple profiles lies in customizing each recruiter's dashboard. This allows you to keep track of what each recruiter is doing, whether it's job posting, candidate sourcing, or client management. By setting up personalized views, you'll quickly spot where each recruiter stands in terms of progress without needing to dig through piles of information. Another helpful feature is the ability to assign specific permissions. This means you can control which parts of the software each recruiter can access. For example, if you have a senior recruiter and a junior recruiter, you can limit the junior recruiter's access to sensitive information while giving them full access to other sections like candidate search. This ensures smooth coordination while maintaining confidentiality. Let's not forget about candidate and job order tracking. You can manage multiple recruiters without worrying about confusion or overlap. When a recruiter updates a job order or candidate record, those changes are automatically reflected across all profiles. This helps keep everything in sync, whether you have one recruiter or multiple working on the same role. If you're managing multiple profiles for a team of recruiters, Top Echelon allows you to set up custom workflows and task reminders. You can create alerts for each profile, so when one recruiter reaches a milestone, the others will know about it. This is especially useful when there's a need for cross-collaboration or handoffs between recruiters. One of the best ways to ensure smooth management of multiple recruiter profiles is through reporting. With Top Echelon, you can generate reports on activity by profile, which helps you track performance and identify areas where additional support might be needed. These reports also give you valuable insights into how each recruiter is performing individually, helping you adjust workloads and optimize your team's efficiency. You also have the option to integrate Top Echelon with other tools, which can further enhance your workflow. Whether you need it to sync with your CRM or job boards, these integrations ensure your data flows seamlessly and everyone's on the same page. Before we wrap up, here's an exclusive tip. You can start using Top Echelon for free by clicking the first link in the description below. By using our exclusive bonuses, you'll get extended access to some powerful features that'll help you manage those multiple recruiter profiles more effectively. Managing multiple recruiter profiles on Top Echelon doesn't need to be complicated. With a little setup, you'll find it's a great tool for organizing and streamlining your recruiting efforts, whether you're managing one profile or 10. Don't forget to take advantage of that free trial to get started today.